Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily run a report in Xero. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go on accounting and click on reports. When you're gonna be here, let me show you. Now you have option to select the report. You can go with the profit and loss. You get literally everything here that you can choose, like which report you actually want. So I don't know, you can go with the balance sheet. That's a new one. Statement, sales. Then I can just click here on balance sheet. Comparison, one period. You can filter it out if you want to region, or you can go like with cash. And then you can like report here, and you just like update it if you want to. Like what I want to actually see. And yeah, then you can like save as, or you can export it as PDF to send it to someone. And this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.